What up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this crypto trading platform that allows users to trade on it and make money every single day by sharing their signals on their Telegram group, which totally help beginners just like me and you in trading in their platform. Yeah, you don't need to be an expert in trading, or you don't need to have knowledge on trading. This platform helps beginners totally in trading their cryptocurrency, just like BTC and ETH. You understand? So guys, I'll be walking you through how you can register on this platform, and also sharing with you guys my own strategy on how I was able to make money every single day on this platform called ByTrading. So the name of the platform is called ByTrading. I'm going to be sharing the link in the description of this video or in the comment section as well. So guys, I'll quickly go over to the registration process and show you guys how you can register your account with them, how you can deposit, and how you can withdraw your crypto cash into your Bybit or into any cryptocurrencies that are using to receive USDT. So guys, I'll quickly go over to the registration process right now. Yeah, so once you click on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section, you'll be redirected to this interface right here, which you'll be needing to register or sign an account with them. I've already done that, so I'll be leading you guys how you can do that yourself. So once you input your email right here, now you click on this icon, this envelope message icon at the left hand side, and receive and request for code, which they are going to be sending you the code in your email address, which you will copy it and paste it here to verify. Now input your password. Now you will see a code here under this referral code. Leave the code there and now click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will require to verify that you are a human, not robot. So once you verify, it will automatically register you. So I don't need to register my account again. I'll quickly log into the my account. Yeah, so I'm logging into my account right away. Alright, so once you log in and create your account, this is how the dashboard of the ByTrading platform will be. So guys, I'll be walking through with you on how to create and how to recharge from your Bybit, Binance, or any exchange wallet you are using for making transfers on cryptocurrencies. Now, when you are here, first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. Thereby, for doing that, you want to go to mine. Once you go to mine, you can get it from there. You click on mine. So once you're on mine, as you can see, I have a balance of 108 USDT in my wallet. So once you want to top up your account, you click on top up. Once you click on top up, you'll be given a variety of payment method in funding your wallet. You are given TRC20 USDT, you are given TRS, and you are given NGN. That is, you can make the payment through your local bank account in Nigeria, and you can make the payment through PKR for those living in India or Arabic country. So the best option here is to deposit through TRC20. Once you click on it, you can see the minimum deposit here is $10 to fund your wallet is $10. So you want to tap on $10. When you tap on $10, you can say recharge amount is $10. Now you click on top up. Now once you click on top up, you can use your phone to scan this code, or you can simply copy it. Once you copy it, you can go any over to your exchange wallet, whether Bybit, Binance, Trust Wallet, or any exchange you are using in making transfers of cryptocurrency. You now input this code. Go to your TRC20 and input this code here, this wallet address code, and input $10 and make the transfer of $10. Now once you are done, screenshot it of your screenshot your receipt, sorry, and come over to this web page again and upload the receipt showing them that you have recharged your wallet, and click on confirm. After that, in less than 2 minutes, your wallet will be funded with $10. That's how you can deposit and fund your wallet. You understand? So that's for that. Yeah, so after depositing or recharging your account, the next step you need to take is now how you can trade using their signals. But first of all, I would like to show you guys how you can maximize your earnings, because this is the same strategy I told you guys I use in maximizing my earnings and earning more through trading and following their signal group. Now what you need to do is, first of all, go to calculator. Yeah, once you're on calculator, so let's say you deposited or recharged $10. You input the $10 here. Yeah, you input the $10. Then once you input the $10, now this is their trading plan. You must complete the 8 stage during trading with this with them using their signal, because here you must complete the profitable 8 stage process based on their signals group. You must trade according to the amount specified in the 8 stage trading plan. Now what this means is that, let's say you deposited this $10. Now this is their trading plan. They have from period 1 to period 8. That is, they have 8 stages whereby you can use to trade with their signal, which they'll be given to you in the group. Now let's say their signal is dropping every 1 minute. Understand? Their signals is dropping every 1 minute. So let's say you want to start trading by 5:13. Now this is currently 5:12. Let's say you want to trade by 5:13. You should be in the group by 5:13. Now if the first signal is dropped, you are going to be entering the first period, which is 0.01 USDT you'll be trading, because you must complete these 8 stages. Why? Because just in case you lose all the money from the first stage to the last stage, they will refund you your money 100%. They're going to refund you your money 100%. That is if you follow their rule and follow the 8 stages I'm going to be sharing with you guys now. So let's say you want to start trading with them using their signal. Now once it's 5:30, now you now impute the trading amount which is listed here as the period 1, which is 0.01. Now once you impute it and the trade goes out to be a win, just stick over to the period 1 again, 0.01. Just keep on using it, but should in case the trade doesn't go well, that is if it's a loss, now you will go over to period 2, which is 0.025 USDT. You understand? So let's say you go back to the 0.025 USDT and it's a win, you will go back again to 0.01. I don't know if you understand. So like if you are, and let's just say from period 1 is a loss, from period 2 is a loss, from period 3 you have a loss, from period 4 you have a loss, down to period 8. You message the customer support team, the agency, they will refund you your money 100% feedback. You get, but you have to follow the trading plan here, because you must trade according to the specified amount in every stage. Here in stage 1, this trading amount here is 0.01. Then in period 2, the trading amount is 0.25 USDT down to 5.99 USDT. You get? So if you lose all your money from period 1 to period 8, they will refund you your money 100% if you charge their customer support team. And if not, just follow their rule. Once you trade from period 1, like the first stage, and win, and it's a win, just continue from 0.01, continue from the first stage and to be trading. So in case you make a loss on in any stage when trading, just move out to period 2, that's times it and move out to period 2 and trade 0.25 USDT. And if that is a loss, move over to 0.061. Should in case that is a win, you go back to 0.01 USDT. That is trading plan. This is how you can follow their stage and make money using their signal group. You get? So by using their calculator team, this trading plan gives you a high probability earning basis whereby we need to earn more. So if I'm to trade, I'll be entering with $100. As you can see on my deposit, I have on my balance, I have total of $100 there, $108. So I'll be entering with $100, for example. Now, once I enter with $100 right here, you can see this is my own trading plan. I think this is my own trading plan, so I will have to follow the procedure step by step. And I told that the signal drop every single minute, so you must have to align with them for you to make profit. You understand? So this is how you can use it. So for your own good and for your own betterment, you need to put this phase in another tab. I have to put it in another tab, so it's already in my tab right here, so I can easily access it. You get? I can easily access it. So what I need to do, I'll need to go about to the phase and show you guys how you can start registering. Now for me, okay, yeah, for the Telegram group, I'm going to be dropping the link on my description of this video or in the comment section for you to follow. Okay, let's just say, let me give you guys an example before going into show you guys how you can trade it. Let's say I started with $100. Yeah, so this is the trading plan I have to follow for me to trade with them. So once you complete these 8 stages, you can start over again. So let me go over to the Telegram group. All right, so this is their Telegram group right here. So you can see this is the series of trade they have taken so far. You can see every trade drop every 1 minute. You can see this is 518. As you can see, this is 519. So this is how the trade goes. Look, this one's already in. So let's say I want to impute this trading plan now. You can see that the first trade here is odd and quantity is 1. So what I need to do here is just make sure that you just copy out this first period here. You can just copy it out, or you can just cram it. Anyone that serves you better. Once you cram it, I'll show you guys how you can input it and trade. So let me show you how you can start trading with them after you must have understood this calculator phase. Now I'll quickly need to go back. Alright, sorry, I'll quickly need to go back now. I'll be trading using BTC 28. I love trading with BTC. Now, once I click on BTC 20 right here, right now, so you can see this. I can see this is my balance. I have total balance of 108.6390 USDT. Just look at the balance closely for the change that will happen. Okay, so I'm trading with BTC. So I told you that their signals drop every 1 minute. You understand? So make sure your time frame is imputed on 1 minute. As well, they have 5 minutes trading signal. I will tell you guys on how to do that too, but for now I'm going to show you how you can trade with them every 1 minute. So make sure your time frame is on 1 minute. After that, now you can simply select type. You are given big, small, odd, even, big, odd, small, odd, even, big, even. So this is the type of trading that you'll be trading with them. Now you have to select what they give you. Let's say let's say you are given to trade small. Just click on small. Like, and for example, now you are given to trade even here. We are given to trade even. So what you need to do is just come over here and click on even. That is 1.95x. That is even you need to pick. Now before that, here you're required to input the trading amount which you'll be using. So what you need to do, that's why I asked you guys to put that calculator in another tab for easy access. What you need to do is just go over to the tab. I have to go over to the tab and enter it. I have to copy it out. You can click on it and copy it out like this for easy access. You can now go over to the face again. Now you can paste it right here, so you can see you can paste it right there. So this is how you can paste it. Now you wait for the next signal. So let's just wait for the next signal. This is 522. We'll be entering the signal by 523 or thereabouts. So we're going to wait for 523 as of the time of making this video for entering it. So we are going to wait. Alright, this is 523. You can see it's popped up now. We are giving to, they have a loss on the 522 trade now. We're trading on 523 now. They were trading on even. Quickly minimize, go over to it and click on even. Now once you click on even, make sure it's on 1 minute time frame and closely look at my balance. I have 0.8 USDT. Now once I click on trade, we have to confirm it. You can see this is how it looks like. So we're going to confirm it once again. Purchase success. So make sure you see that purchase success for easy access. So this is the trading time is counting. You can see my balance have reduced to 0.8.5. Now we have 16 seconds countdown. Now closely look at the balance here. You can see 0.8.54 USDT. Alright, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, congratulations on winning. So you can see my balance have increased from 0.85 USDT to 0.8.7 USDT. It increased by 2%. You understand? My balance here before was 108.532 plus 532. Now it have increased to 108.7321. So this is how you can trade with them, and it's made easy. So guys, we'll be entering. I'll show you guys an example again. So now it's 524. So we'll be entering by 525 again. So quickly wait for them. You can see this with this last result we traded is a win. So we'll be entering again. It is 525. We are required to enter odd. You can see odd. So you can just minimize. Still stick on the 0.9998 cents that I'm being given before. Still stick on it. Don't change. You should only change when you must have a loss. Now we are giving, I think, odd. Yeah, click on odd. Click on trade, confirm. Yeah, you can see it's already confirmed and it's already counting. So we are going to see how it's gonna go once again. I have 0.108.6341 dollar. So let's see how it goes. Alright, let's see how it goes one more time. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so you can see I think that is a loss. That is a loss. So let's just go over to the Telegram group to confirm. Let's go. We can see that is a loss. So we have a loss on this one. So as we have a loss right now, you don't need to panic. Then on your next trade, you are expected to double it. So I'll have to go over. I'm no longer going to use that 0.098 USDT. I'm going to times it by 2, which is I'm going to be copying. Sorry, I'm going to be copying this trading plan 2 now, which is 0.246. I'm going to be copying it. That is when if we have made a loss on it. Now I'll go over to it and impute this amount But if you stick with, or if you already win, just stick with that plan one. So you don't need to change it. So let's check the time. Okay, now this 5:27. Now we are entering odd. You click on odd and enter. You confirm it. So once you have a loss on any trade, just go over to the next plan and double it. You can see my balance have reduced to 108.38 USDT. So the time is counting. Let's know whether this is gonna be a win for us. Yeah. So guys, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below of this video right now. So you can see, let's see how it goes from this phase. Yeah, we have 3 seconds, 1 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I think this is a loss too. So you quickly go over to the Telegram to confirm whether it's a loss or it's a win. So you can see it's a loss. So you're expected to enter from odd, under odd from 2.5x. So what you need to do here is just go over to next step, which is sorry go over to the next step, which is 0.615. That's to the third stage. This is how you'll be doing it till you reach 8th stage. Then once you must have exhausted the 8th stage, you can start afresh. You understand? So you can just copy this third stage and put there and trade it again. So guys, this is how you can trade using their signal group. And once you must have lose all your money trading with from period 1 to period 2, you will need to contact their customer support for refund. That's when you trade with 5 minute signal every day, two times in a day. That is 5 minute signal every day. You understand? So this is how you can trade with them. So quickly, let's say you have made your money for the day and you are trying to withdraw to your buy account. So what you need to do is just go over to where you see mine. Now click on withdraw. Now once you withdraw, you'll be added. You need to, okay, once you click on withdraw, they will ask you to bind your account. If you are withdrawing through your Nigerian account or local currency, it is here. You can add your bank name, the card holder, the bank card, the email. Let's say you are withdrawing from your cryptocurrency. Now you need to add your GRC20. Once you add your GRC20, just go over to your exchange wallet, go to your GRC20 and copy the address, and come here and add the wallet address you are copying. Now enter the code, then email verification, click on send. They will send you the code on your email. Now add it here. Once you have added your email here, now the code they will send you on your email. Sorry, now click on confirm. Your money will be transferred straight to your account within 3 minutes of transferring. This is how you can withdraw your money easily. You can withdraw through cryptocurrencies, or you can withdraw through fiat currency, that is a local currency. You understand? So this is how you can withdraw. And you can also invite your friends to this trading platform. You can click on invites. You can see, you can copy your wallet, you can copy your referral link. Sorry. So I've added my referral link in the comment section or in the description of this video for easy access. So you can copy and share with your friends and families to join their signal and trade with them. You understand? So this is how you can trade with them on their Telegram channel. As simple as that. So before I forget, so like as I said before, if you lose all the 8 stage from stage 1 to stage 8, now you will need a group to join to contact their agent private signal group for compensation and for refund. Now let's say you lose all the 8 stage. For the 8 stage, now anyone who need compensation for the loss must join the agent private signal group, which I'm going to be dropping on the description of this video. Then you'll be entering a 5 minute signal group with them twice a day at a fixed time. The prediction success rate of this trading signal can reach up to 95%. You understand? So once you join the signal group or the 5 minutes trading and contact the agent team, they will refund you your money 100%.